Okay, hello everyone. This video is going to be about the question in orthographic projection 2, 15.1, page 192, question 1. And today we are going to sketch a 3D view of the grain store. Alright, so this is going to build on some of the sketching exercises that you've done already. And we're going to incorporate some rendering or texturing techniques into the sketch as well. And what we also want to do in this sketch is to break down the object into individual components. So we're just going to break it down into two components, but that'll be a little later on in the video. So first of all, we're going to start by sketching the grain store. So we're starting off with, I'm going to start off at the top. Now you can have the, guys, if you want to open your book and have this open beside you on page 192. So I'm starting off at the top of the grain store. So the top part, and I'm just roughly sketching out an elliptical shape there. Let me just zoom in a small bit. Okay, so it's just an outline. I'm using here, what I'm using here is a 2H pencil because I want to keep my sketching nice and light to begin with, and I'll heavy in over the different parts of it afterwards. So an elliptical shape on top, two vertical sides, and a semi-elliptical curve at the bottom. Okay, so we're making up this cylindrical shape that is the top of the silo. Okay, so what I'm going to do next of all is I'm just going to sort of ghost a line down through the center of that. This is going to be like a center line, really light, and that'll help me with the rest of the sketch. So the main body of the silo is a little bit bigger. Well, it's quite a bit bigger than the top part. So again, what I'm going to do is I'm going to start off here. I'm going to set a distance between the bottom of this top part and the next elliptical curve. Okay, so sketching it in like that, and what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to keep this ellipse directly underneath the one on top. So my center line, this center line that I've ghosted down through both the top and the main body should be, centered on this ellipse as well. Okay, like that. So you can see that I'm swirling around. I'm going over and over the ellipse to position it where I want it. I think that's okay. So dropping down two vertical lines, nice and light. That's going to make up the sides of the silo. And then down to the very bottom, sketching in a semi-elliptical curve that makes up the bottom part of the silo. Okay, and the last part then, everybody, is to join the top part with the bottom half, with the bottom part, and we're using two diagonal lines like so. So this line should start from the extreme generator of the bottom cylinder and join to the extreme generator of the top part from both sides. Like so, okay? So that's the first part of this video, and that's just sketching the grain silo itself. So it's a build-up of what we did already. Sketching elliptical surfaces and joining them together using these lines from each of the extreme generators on the top part and the bottom half. Okay, so we'll have a go at that first, and we move on to the second video, which examines the sketch a little bit further.